Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor. Today in this video, I will show you how to convert HEIC or HEIF file to JPEG PNG online. Let's get started. Open Cocosenor HEIC Converter official website at any browser. OK, select the output format and upload your HEIC files from your device. You can drag and drop multiple images at once. Then click Convert Now to begin the conversion. In just seconds, you can see the PNG files. Click Download to download your files. Try it now and convert your HEIF files. Okay, it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.